Hello there. Welcome to VitalGlow Life, your ultimate destination for all things health and beauty. In this episode, we're delving into the universe of anti-aging foods. Nutrition, as we know, plays a key role in preserving our skin's health and radiance. Just as our body needs sustenance to function, our skin craves nourishment too. We're about to journey through 10 incredible foods brimming with anti-aging properties that can help you secure that coveted youthful glow. Are you ready to discover the secret to ageless skin? Stay with us! First on the visual menu is berries. Bursting with antioxidants, these small fruits are warriors against skin aging. Whether strawberries, blueberries, or raspberries, they are a veritable cornucopia of antioxidants. They neutralize harmful free radicals, thus protecting skin and slowing down the aging process, all while adding a delicious radiance to your skin. Transitioning to our next scene, we have avocados. This creamy delight is a bastion of healthy fats, vitamins, and antioxidants. With a wealth of vitamin E, avocados shield the skin from oxidative damage, while their high content of monounsaturated fats ensure the top layer of your skin stays hydrated, resulting in soft, supple, and youthful-looking skin. And finally, for this segment, we spotlight spinach. This leafy green is a powerhouse of vitamins A, C, and K, antioxidants, and omega-3 fatty acids. These nutrients synergize to foster healthy skin cell growth and fight inflammation, securing your skin's radiance and wrinkle-free appearance. But don't go anywhere, we're just getting started. Next on our visual showcase is nuts. Not only a satisfying snack, they're also loaded with skin-friendly vitamins. Almonds, for instance, are teeming with vitamin E, an antioxidant that shields your skin from harmful UV rays. Walnuts are carriers of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for maintaining skin elasticity. Shifting our focus to broccoli, a garden-grown vitamin C and E powerhouse. Vitamin C stimulates collagen production, sustaining your skin's health and vibrancy, while vitamin E defends your skin against sun damage. Lastly, for this segment, we spotlight sweet potatoes. Rich in beta-carotene, they act as a natural sunblock, safeguarding your skin from sun damage and promoting a younger-looking complexion. Intrigued? We're just warming up. Coming up next is bell peppers. These vibrant veggies are a treasure trove of vitamins A, C, and E, all crucial for skin health. Their antioxidant properties help to combat skin aging and maintain a radiant glow. Now we dive into the realm of fatty fish. With a wealth of omega-3 fatty acids, they excel at keeping your skin supple and moisturized, keeping wrinkles at bay. A standout among them is salmon, renowned for its skin-enhancing nutrients. Shifting our focus, we have oranges. The citrus titan, brimming with vitamin C, they aid collagen production, ensuring your skin remains firm and youthful. Lastly, let's plunge into the juicy world of watermelon. This hydrating fruit is a summer favorite and a beauty secret, loaded with antioxidants and vitamins, especially vitamin A, which reduces skin aging. And that concludes our visual journey. But don't rush off just yet. So there you have it, 10 remarkable foods that can bestow upon you the youthful, radiant skin you've always dreamed of. Avocados, berries, leafy greens, and even dark chocolate all contribute to your skin's radiance. Remember, healthy skin begins from within. Nourish your body with these gifts from nature and let your skin reflect the difference. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with your friends and subscribe to VitalGlow Life for more health and beauty advice. Until our next encounter, keep glowing.